Samsung Galaxy A7 2018, and let me show you how to add the fingerprint protection on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here we need to use all list of apps, choose settings. Here let's find and select the biometrics and security. Choose here the fingerprint scanner, tap continue. And as you can see, before you add the fingerprint, you need to set up some backup method. It could be pattern, pin or password. In my case, let me use pattern. So let's draw your unlock pattern, tap continue, and let's draw it again just for confirmation. And now you need to scan your fingerprint. So the fingerprint scanner is located right here. So you need to just start tapping the fingerprint that you would like to save, and let's just tap the following scanner a couple of times. Let's save the different parts of your finger, tap continue. And fingerprint added. You can tap done right now, and let's leave the notification, in my case, as simple as that by choosing done. Now you can lock your device by pressing the power key, and you can unlock it by using the pattern, or you can also unlock it by using the fingerprint scanner. Alright, so that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.